Ang number 8 ay may kinalaman sa mastery ng material world, power at success. Nakatuon ito sa ambition, organization at pag-manage ng both spiritual and financial resources. Yun yung reason kung bakit a lot of people associate the number 8 with wealth and abundance. So ngayon, titingnan natin ano ang ibig sabihin ng number 8 sa suit of wands. Ang suit of wands kasi ay fire element, so fire sign. At ang energy of fire ay nagpapahiwatig ng speed or movement. Pero kahit na this energy of fire implies swiftness, hindi ibig sabihin na merong direction ito necessarily. So, ayun nga, kahit na kulang sa direction, makikita natin yung Eight of Wands, actually yung message niya is about something that's soon coming to an end. So, parang journey or paglalakbay na malapit nang matapos o di kaya mga bagay na natapos na. So, itong fire energy kasi dito sa barahan na to, sa Eight of Wands, meron siyang goal, diba? Meron siyang endeavor na gusto niyang ma-fulfill. So, itong barahan na to, it signifies na malapit niya nang makuha ito or patapos na itong journey na to or actually na nakuha na niya, natapos na. Kaya kung titingnan natin yung imagery, very straightforward siya. So kay Rider-Waite, merong 8 na wands na para silang mga comet na nagsushoot down or nahuhulog from the sky tapos patungo sila sa earth. So very, very fire yung energy na nakikita natin kahit na mga wands to. Mukha silang mga bulalakaw na nagsistreak across the sky, signifying na eto na, paparating na, or that it's finally here. Eto dito sa The Naked Heart Tarot, yung Eight of Wands niya merong gazelle, signifying yun nga yung speed or heralding that something is coming or something is about to end. Dito naman sa Cats Rule the Earth Tarot, mas quirky yung depiction niya, parang yung Eight of Wands niya is yung mga broom, 'di ba? Tapos may witch hat. So, parang sinasabi kasi nung Cats Rule the Earth Tarot is yung mga Eight of Wands, ito yung vehicle, 'di ba? Ito yung sinasakyan ng witches. So, ito yung vehicle, yung movement ng something coming, something na is about to come to a close. An ending, pero also at the same time a fulfilling of something. Kung ikukumpara natin yung ibig sabihin ng number 8 in numerology, 'di ba? Wealth and abundance, success and ambition, power sa wands or suit of wands ng tarot cards, makikita natin na yung mensahe niya talaga is something that's coming into fruition. So, paparating na yung success or yung achieving nung goal nung fire sign, yung fire energy. So, merong wealth na nag-ground. Parang meron kang something is about to come to you, whether financial or something you've been waiting for, you've been dreaming of, yung ambition mo, it's about to come to you. Or yung journey mo, the hard work that you've been putting into it to get this something you've been wanting is about to come to an end. So it signifies the coming of success. Tapos, mas clear pa itong message ng Eight of Wands kapag combined siya in a reading with Pentacles. Kasi the Pentacles, which signifies talagang material wealth, so pag nakita mo yung Eight of Wands in a reading, talagang naka-ground yung message niya to something financial, something material, something abundant that's coming your way. Tapos yung journey mo na inaantay mo, matatapos na siya. So, ang Eight of Wands, actually, pwede din natin siyang interpret sa context of love or relationships. So, meron din siyang romantic na ibig sabihin. Ang message ni Eight of Wands in a romantic context, parang itong mga wands niya na nahuhulog from the sky, nagiging mga mga arrows, parang mga pana ng pag-ibig na papunta sa atin. So, ang Eight of Wands, pag romantic yung reading, it can mean na baka merong dadating na love affair or proposal in terms of a romantic relationship. Or merong manliligaw na dadating or uusbong sa buhay natin. Hindi lang ibig sabihin ito syempre na laging tayo yung receiver. Pwede kasi ngang sinasabi ng Eight of Wands, since it's about a journey coming to an end, parang ang sinasabi niya in a romantic context, gumalaw ka na, make a move, na it's time na put action into something. Pwede kasing ang sinasabi ni Eight of Wands is, ikaw mismo yung naglalakbay sa journey na to, tapos in terms of love and relationships, eto na yung chance mo for success to do something. Kasi yung moment, yung mga shooting star, yung mga pana ng pag-ibig, eto na sila. This is your moment. Pwedeng yun ang sinasabi ni Eight of Wands. So, kapag naka-reverse ang Eight of Wands, kung upright ay ang ibig sabihin niya ay something that's coming to an end or a moment where things will be resolved, diba? Decided through action. Tapos, whatever journey you're taking is about to come to an end dahil this is it. Paparating na yung mga bulalakaw. Kapag naka-reverse ang Eight of Wands, ang sinasabi niya ay continuation. Ibig sabihin naman nito is parang nawawala ng katapusan yung situation. Hindi siya natatapos. Kahit na gusto na nating matapos yung paglalakbay natin, gusto nating makuha na kung ano man yung padating, nade-delay siya ng nade-delay. Tapos parang walang hanggan yung paghihintay. So, ang nangyayari, yung kwento natin nawawalan ng conclusion. Nawawalan tayo ng closure. It just keeps going and goes on and on. So, pagdating sa mga situations na wala naman talaga tayong control, syempre, ang advice ng Eight of Wands in reverse is maybe just let it be. Parang let it finish its course. Na hayaan mo na lang siyang magpatuloy hanggang sa matapos. Parang be patient instead of wallowing in misery and yung na-frustrate ka na. So, also, dahil sa fire energy, dahil sa Suit of Wands, kaya din merong implied action ang Eight of Wands na sometimes it's not about waiting for it to end. Pwedeng it's a call for you to do something. That's why in reverse, yung Eight of Wands, pwedeng ang pinapakita niya sa atin kasi is sinasabi niya na maybe dahil sa atin kaya parang walang hanggan yung situation kasi inaalaw lang natin na magpatuloy siya nang walang nagbabago. So, minsan kasi, yung hopes and yung fears natin, again, nagiging self-fulfilling prophecy siya. Na natatakot tayo na if we intervene, something might not go our way. So, yung hope man or yung fear natin, it will reflect the situation and nothing will change. Kaya again, kung upright ang Eight of Wands, it shows us na something is about to come to an end. Or somehow, it implies na this is the moment na yung fire sign is calling us to maybe act on it if we want to reach a conclusion in the story. So we can write our own ending to whatever endeavor this is. Pero in reverse, maybe we're allowing kasi the situation to be as it is. So, kung meron tayong control, ibig sabihin nun, hinahayaan lang natin to let it go on forever. Pero kung wala tayong control, might as well let it run its course para hindi tayo ma-frustrate at makulong sa misery. So, in aspects of love, pwede ding ibig sabihin ng reversed Eight of Wands ay jealousy. So, merong uncertainty and confusion sa feelings natin at dun sa other person, sa relationship natin. So, kung upright, yung ibig sabihin ng Eight of Wands is parang may bagong manliligaw or merong movement sa relationship. Sa isang romantic relationship, merong something that's about to happen. In reverse, medyo negative siya kasi it's about jealousy, tapos may stagnation or confusion kung ano na bang patutunguhan natin. Parang paikot-ikot na lang tayo, saan ba patutungo to? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng Eight of Wands in reverse. Hanggang sa muli, please like and subscribe para makita niyo mga videos namin kung paano magbasa ng tarot cards.